If you're looking at colocation providers in the Southwest, Phoenix is one of the markets that deserves serious attention. Over the last several years, it's become one of the fastest growing data center markets in the United States, attracting businesses of all sizes looking for reliable infrastructure and room to grow. But with more providers entering the market, knowing which one is the right fit isn't always easy. Hi, I'm Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and in today's video, we're going to look at 5 colocation providers that stand out in the Phoenix market, and more importantly, how to think about each one based on what your business actually needs. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have Digital Realty Chandler. Digital Realty has built a strong presence in the Phoenix area, and its Chandler campus is one of the largest data center developments in Arizona. That's important because businesses rarely have the same infrastructure requirements year after year. As your business grows, you want a provider that can grow alongside you. That's one of Digital Realty's biggest strengths. So if you're looking for a provider with a significant footprint and long-term scalability, Digital Realty Chandler is definitely worth considering. Hey, before we move on, I'm assuming the reason you're watching this video is because you're searching for data center and colocation services. I want to remind you about our free consulting service to help you figure out which solutions on the market are best for you. We represent all the major data center service providers in the USA, and we're paid by referrals only, so our consulting service is absolutely free. If you'd like my help, all you have to do is visit our website at www.datacenterhunter.com, where you can request help from my team and I on our Contact Us page. Filling out the form is simple and just takes a couple of minutes. So, if you're looking for data center services for your business, we can help. A link to our website is also in the description below this video. Moving on to number 4, CyrusOne Chandler. And this is where reliability and long-term planning really come into the conversation. CyrusOne has developed a strong reputation for supporting businesses that need dependable infrastructure with room to expand over time. For organizations expecting continued growth, having additional capacity available can make future expansion much easier. So if your business is planning ahead and wants a provider that can support those plans, CyrusOne Chandler deserves a closer look. Now let's talk about number 3, EdgeConnex Phoenix. Not every business needs the largest data center campus. Sometimes what matters most is having infrastructure that's practical, reliable, and positioned to deliver strong performance close to your users. That's really where EdgeConnex fits. They've built a reputation around helping businesses deploy infrastructure where it makes the most sense while keeping the overall experience straightforward. So if flexibility and efficient deployment are important to your business, EdgeConnex is certainly worth considering. Coming in at number 2, we have Aligned Data Centers. And this is where the conversation shifts slightly. One of Aligned's biggest strengths is its ability to support businesses as they continue to grow. That's important because choosing a colocation provider isn't just about solving today's requirements. It's about making sure your provider can continue supporting your business several years from now. So if long-term growth is high on your priority list, Aligned Data Centers is a very strong option. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have PheonixNAP. PheonixNAP continues to be one of the best-known colocation providers in Arizona, and for good reason. They've built a strong reputation by offering businesses a balanced combination of reliability, security, connectivity, and customer support. One thing I like about PheonixNAP is that it gives businesses plenty of network connectivity options without making the overall platform feel overly complicated. For many organizations, that's exactly what they're looking for. A provider that's dependable, easy to work with, and capable of supporting a wide range of business requirements. So if you're looking for one of the strongest all-around colocation providers in the Phoenix market, PheonixNAP is an excellent place to start. So when you compare these providers, each one brings something a little different to the table. At the end of the day, there isn't one provider that's automatically the best fit for every business. The right choice depends on your applications, your users, your growth plans, and what matters most to your organization. Because choosing a colocation provider isn't simply about finding somewhere to place your servers. It's about building an infrastructure strategy that can support your business both today and well into the future. If you're currently looking for a co-location service, I'd like to remind you that we represent all of the data center service providers in the United States, and we guarantee that you'll get the lowest pricing when working with us versus shopping providers directly. Remember, our consulting service is 100% free, and you can request help on our website via the link below this video. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button, and feel free to let us know your opinion about today's topic in the comments below. This is Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and I'll see you again in the next video.